Hi, so we are all mediums. You're thinking, no, we're not, Joanne. We are. We all have a soul. The soul never dies. We all are energy and part of the whole that never dies. So we cannot be disconnected. So if we can't be disconnected, then surely we can be easily connected. So if there are any boundaries, if there are any belief systems that you are carrying, probably consciously or unconsciously, that is the veil that you've heard people say, oh, when you're younger, when you're a child, the child has no veil. And with the conditioning and programming through our lifetime, we've believed that you've got to be born this way. Well, ironically, we are. But it's been told in a different way, which has made us believe that you've got to be something special. You've got to be born with this gift. Well, we all have been. So this is something new that I'm sharing on my channel now, because I've done lots of training on this, and I want you guys to be able to be, I want it to be more in an organic way, but from a person that was not born this way, and a person that has moved into a different way. I do lots of tarot readings and meditations and affirmations on here. I went through my spiritual awakening and world awakening in 2020, although I have been brought up spiritually. So I've always had a connection with the angels and the celestial beings as well. Another thing is that we're all light beings, so we're all connected. And when we pass over, we just move out of our body and into a light being. We're all multi-dimensional beings here as well, but more on that in another video. I've got so much to share. So if it's something that you're interested in and you want to learn from somebody who's literally had to start from scratch, I've had to change my belief system, I've had to get rid of my limited beliefs, and it's been hard, but you know what, it's been so worth it. So I can help you connect with your spirit guides. I think once you connect more with your spirit guides and you get to feel them, you see the difference. You see the difference in your body, because that's what it is. We have a soul to soul communication, which is like the psychicness within us. So if you're drawn to thinking about somebody, that's your soul connecting with their soul. So I'm more natural, I'm very organic, and I want you guys to be able to pick up on this energy now and know that you can do it as well. I'm a Reiki master as well, so I'm all about energy. Like I said before, I do loads of tarot readings as well. So effectively, I want you to be able to, if this is something that you want to do, I want to help you. I feel as though things are changing in the mediumship world, and a lot more is opening up. As you've heard me say, we are multidimensional beings. So there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. However, if you're interested in connecting and becoming a medium and connecting with your spirit guides and finding out who your spirit guide is and the simple techniques that you can use, then let me know. Put it in the comments and I will do more in-depth video. But this is me being me. This is me being natural, and this is me just opening up and going, I want to help you. And do you know what? When you actually talk to another person that is on this awakening journey, that is going through this process, your abilities strengthen. So even by just talking to me, listening to me, I'm activating something inside of you, that inner divine spark that we are all connected to. You are lighting up your light being within you, and you are connecting. You're already becoming more and more aware, becoming more and more aware of your senses. After this video, you're going to probably find that you see things, you see synchronicities, you may even get ringing in your ear, because I am setting the intention that if this is what you want and you're coming from a good place and you're working with the higher, loving, beautiful energies that's available to us all the time, with the high intention for all, with love, I'm connecting you already. So your ears may start to ring. You may start to feel some energy coming through your fingers or your body, and you may start to see a few things as well, because as mediums we are the conduit. We're like a mobile phone, so the information comes through spirit, through our guides. We are the transmitter to the sitter, but we're also the transmitter when we're trying to obtain answers from our guides as well. And it's learning how that information comes through, how we sense it, how we feel it. Do we hear it? Does it come through? And remember, one of the biggest limitations is, that was me saying that. That was my own mind. Our bodies are instruments, so they will use what we have available to us in the form of a visualization or a thought process. So they will come through using our human body. But the difference is knowing the difference, being aware of the difference, feeling the difference, and that's what I can help you do. So if you're interested, guys, leave a comment, subscribe, and follow me for more, and have an amazing day.